You know, it's always better to give than to receive. And our next guest decided that she would reverse the age old trend of receiving gifts for her birthday and instead donate over a 45-gallon drum of liquid hand soap and a 45-gallon drum of bleach to the Maxfield Park Children's Home. Joining us this morning is little Mika Beckford and her parents, Sheldon Beckford and Crescencia Brown Beckford. Good morning, guys.
Good morning, Celia.
Welcome to Smile Jamaica. Crescencia, I'm going to start with you. Tell me a little bit
Yes,
about Mika because she must be a very special child to want to do something like this.
indeed, she is very special.
Yeah.
She has always been a very caring child, caring for others. And it didn't surprise us at all when
Mhm.
she decided she wanted to do this.
Yeah.
She is someone that, in my experience, once you meet her, people are so drawn to her. And I think she has a very caring heart and spirit.
Wonderful. Sheldon, I know as daddy, when you heard the project, what was your first response? That Mika
Well,
wants to do this, but the work is going to be on us.
I was hoping I should reach the targets. I said, boy, I have to go find this money if you don't make it. But she did find it. So I was excited and I'm very excited about it.
All right, so let's talk to the little star. Hey, Mika.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good.
So, most kids your age would say, for my birthday, I want all the gifts. Tell me, why did you think about donating something to others and to other children?
Well, I thought of it because for my birthday, I wanted coronavirus to end. So
Mm-hmm.
I decided that we should donate soap to the poor so they don't get coronavirus.
Oh, that's so awesome. So when you went to mommy and daddy and you said, this is what I want to do, how did you go about doing it?
So I told them that I wanted to raise the money by asking people to donate some money
Mm,
so we can reach the target of
yeah.
getting how much money we need.
Yes.
And you could buy the soap and go to the children's home and give them the soap.
Awesome. So Crescencia, walk me through the project now. Mika says, this is what I want to do. How did it unfold? How did you raise the funds to get it done?
Well, actually, she came to us and she said she wanted to do a lemonade stand. And we were, well, lemonade stand, there's one living on our street, not many. And it's Corona time. So we said to her, well, you will have to raise the funds. We won't be able to do a lemonade. And you could do so by asking the family.
Yes.
So made a video unknown to me. She took my phone and made a video and posted it in the family WhatsApp group.
That's right, girl.
Her consent, we sent it to a few close friends, her godparents, and so forth. And it was amazing the response. And we're really very grateful that the Gleaner saw it fit to highlight what she was doing.
Yeah. Sheldon, what I like about it is, we talk about COVID-19, but I don't know if we appreciate enough how it's affecting the children and just how much it's kind of even destabilized their lives. They're not with their friends, they don't get to go to school. And so the fact that she wanted to do an effort that would help children and also mitigate against the virus is really, really something that's very honorable. So we raised the funds. What happens from there? We went, we purchased, we took the stuff. Tell me about it.
All right. The funds was raised and we got it we purchased and had it delivered to Maxfield Park. We did the presentation.
Yes.
And we did 52% of the target. So we have a balance to make a further donation.
Mm-hmm.
And we are far advanced to completing our initial target. The feedback has been overwhelming. So we're looking now to maybe have something extended because of how many persons have come on board and want to help. For the project, I think it was great. The kids now, when you look around, they are your parents walking and they are not wearing masks. That's the first thing I saw. I'm saying we need to get this corrected. And Mika's effort to get rid of the virus by washing hands was so moving for me
Yes.
that it stopped at nothing for me to make it happen and to help her get. So I did some heavy lifting for her, getting the products to the site and that sort of thing. I'm making the arrangements and all.
Yeah.
And I'm excited. I'm prepared to go another 100 if she wants.
Yes. Mika, how excited were you when you made the presentation? I see you in the photo. You look awesome. Tell me, how did you feel going down to Maxfield and doing the presentation?
Well, I felt a bit excited because I got to help the children
Yes.
so that they wouldn't get coronavirus. And especially because it's a children's home, they also said they take in babies. So it was important that we had the soap, that we gave them the soap, so everybody wouldn't get coronavirus.
All right. You're awesome, Mika. Thank you so much for all that you've done. And I know you've made some children very, very happy. And not just your parents, but you made us all proud that you're a sweet little Jamaican girl with a big heart. So thank you so much for speaking with us. Thank you to Crescencia. And thank you, Sheldon, for speaking with
Thank
us.
you, David.
All right, so there you have it. Mika Beckford and her parents, Sheldon and Crescencia Beckford. Nicey, what a great way to start the show up. The wonderful world of Disney is where we go next. Neville goes under the sea. We're going to make a fun stop with a few lessons learned from Disney classics. Please stay with us.